If you were from Niue back in the 90s, you would know this curry was sold out before the shop even opened. This Falawa New is from Otara Flea Market. This is Sipolo. Kalpatu. We're here at tau nephew mo niece haku ko Christopher mo Juliana hong fulu maono e tau. So o mai tuaia mo tolu came a bit early. My mom came super early, so she called me to say where were we, so we arrived. Oi, vai kupu.
Kalau halahi atu, mungkin yang pada kamu sama Juliana mo Christopher, big now. God bless you always, and also please try and speak your Manghami way.
Did you hear that? Oh, mahi te tuli.
Oh yeah, then we can get these signed and backlisted and get your house off the market.
Oh yeah.
Into escrow.
Okay. So kalafatu, Kingston's just tause tunupaku. And we're just waiting. Oh, can't wait to eat. We got the table here. Oh, looks very nice. What's that? Some goodies in here. Here, Juliana's turning 16 and Christopher's turning 16. They're the only twins that we have in my family. The other twins is my... I was just about to say the other twins are my dad's sister. They're twins, but in terms of my brothers and sisters, we have no twins.
Everyone's come together.
Steph has no twins, Christian no twins. All my siblings no twins except for Sandy. So that's, yeah. But as my dad was saying, who's the twins in your family? Is it Sheila and
Anna?
Sheila and Anna are twins. Yeah, that's my dad's sisters. But yeah, we're just waiting to eat, can't wait. More birthdays coming up in June. My dad's birthday, my brother-in-law Gus, and Liam. Yeah, birthdays in June as well. Yep.
Good the phone. This is your purse. Happy birthday wishes. Happy birthday. God bless you. What?
We're about to start soon. Kamata always start off a leongi. Matua whawhenga haka tau se leongi o poke matua tāne. Mamahi tutuli tumau mamahi tutuli. But all good, I think that's what happens when you fork. Hopefully that's what I gotta do. Look after my body. So when I hit 70, I don't have any sore knees. So that's a bit of advice. Whoever's looking for advice while you're young, stay in shape, eat healthy, exercise, socialize, and keep your mind sharp. Because the old age hits fast. Man, it was not long ago. I was in my 20s. Now I'm in my 40s. And if you don't look after yourself, you can get sore knees, sore bodies. So that's the plan. Eating lots of fruit and veg, lots of meat, and try and stay off foods that put on weight. But yeah, all right. I'm gonna start soon. Word for today: whakakia. Whakakia is sino whakakia means to keep an eye out, watch out, look out for your body. So when you get to the old age, don't get too broken. Okay. Oh, maupo petau kai. Shot getting not enough. E hao e tau kai. Puke e lau. Whakatali hingoa? Oh yeah, puke. Gonna have to push some stuff around. Okay, so you got the healthy foods. This is all about looking after the vecchino. Too bad grapes are like $12 a kg though. But all good. Capsicum, one capsicum $4. Oh, those sisi mo mamoi. Those mamoi's gonna go quick.
Okay, we're gonna look at
Alright.
Beef, I got some
beef. Yeah, some mamoi.
Free Haku.
Liam.
Shout to you, Yep.
Sheesh.
Mr. Man himself, Christian. Wow, thanks for the food. Christian,
Mitaki.
whakolahi. Whakoi.
It's Lily Sky. Oh. Omo. Mitaki. Whakalofa atu Nicole, mawhala. Aho nei, aho whanau nephew Haku ko Liam. Homofulu my whae tau. What's up, peeps? It's my nephew's birthday. Celebrating his birthday along with Gus's birthday from last week. Show you what I got. This is, you know, when the money's low, just wrap up some inu kawa, for Gus, and I got Liam on top from my New Air Business clothing line, which is cool. Just coming for, we're the first ones here. Kamata Holofa, started 4 and boy, another time we're here first, so got a good park. Alright. Gus, happy birthday, hey, Gus. How are you?
Good.
Happy birthday. Birthday man. Birthday boys. Cool. Happy birthday, Gus, bro. Happy birthday, Liam.
Thank you, John. Liam, don't hide. Come on.
How old are you?
14.
14. Nice. Happy birthday, Liam. You play for Sacred Heart under 15s, eh?
Oh, 14A.
Under 14A and club rugby? Not the shade.
Sacred Heart.
Oh, nice. Up and coming. Cool. Oh, here's the famous. If you were from New Air back in the 90s, you would know this curry was sold out before the shop even opened.
I'm the 90s, bro.
Okay, the 2010s. The 2010s. Yeah, look at that bestseller New Air.
Alright.
Yeah, oh nice. Man. That's the Manongi Haya cut. Yeah, is that lamb, Gus?
Yeah, lamb.
Ooh, Mamoy. And then what we have here?
How you call it in New Air? Mamoy.
Yeah, the salmon. Yeah. And we have
Chicken.
More. Again, this was famous. This was before Vanilla Cafe, eh? And yeah. Nice. And
I'll just put it in here.
oh,
Bus. Put it in here.
Okay, you're going to go
yeah. Oh, my light. Yeah. Nice. Any words for Gus?
Oh, happy birthday, Gus. Oh. And Liam, happy birthday, Liam. Man. Glad I'm here to enjoy. Happy 21st, bro. Plus 39. Bro, I like your fork, bro.
Yeah, this is
What's
Danielle.
the neighbor?
Oh, Danielle.
Oh,
yeah.
Yeah. Baby Pippin.
Yeah. Oh, good condiments. Yeah. Potato salad, curry, peppers. Just need the rice and that's a match made. Dave. Okay, Dave, here we go. Here's Dave. Insta famous.
Hey,
Play today, Liam?
birthday, Gus, Liam. Keep it up. This is against Liam. Just wish you all the best. Just wish you all the best. It's definitely. Yeah, what?
Oh, shee. Any words, Atsu?
Happy birthday, Liam. Thank you for being a very good brother. Hope you have a good rest of your day. God bless. Thank you.
Forgot. This is for local. For pure. Hello. elu e fualoku. This is the ingredients you use for the takihi, if you weren't aware. This falawa new is from Otara Flea Market. Baked by Niuean or? Kukalan, it would be just as good. Kukalan falawa new. This is sipolo. Yeah. Makona te au. Oshie kai. Makona. Yeah. Mitaki lahi e kai e awhiawhi nei. Whainu. Inu tose suka. Ne ke hake ke lunga e PSL e diabetes. Yeah, hake. Yeah, whakake e inu. Yeah. Oh yeah, hafa. Sprite Zero, mitaki e Sprite Zero. And this the man here. Oh, look at that. Oh. Finish. Yep. Oh. This the lewa, the kuli, fuata. This is the laumua taki. Is fitu mofolo maua. Tolu. Sei. Tolu tau kahau. Yeah, fitu ua. 73. 53. Yeah. Yeah, and our kids. It's a fun. I hope everyone's well. Weather's terrible here in Auckland. Some flooding in some parts of New Zealand. Hope everyone's safe, hope everyone's well. If you're an Aussie, learning the Wangahau Niue, keep it up. If you're in New Zealand, keep it up. Even if you're back in Niue, learning the Wangahau Niue and watching these videos. Appreciate it, all the views. And if you're anywhere else in the world, China, Switzerland, United States, Utah, wherever, even in the Pacific, Asia, Antarctica. Hope you're all living life well, learning your language, doing you, and look forward to the next video. Okay, talk for the video.